Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Hackintosh. First, ensure your computer's components are compatible with macOS. This includes your CPU, motherboard, and graphics card. Next, you'll need to create a bootable macOS installer on a USB drive, which typically requires a working Mac or virtual machine. Finally, adjust your BIOS settings to enable features like ASI and disable Secure Boot for proper installation. Once your USB installer is ready, boot your computer from it. You'll then enter the Mac OS utility screen. Here, open Disk Utility to format your chosen hard drive or SSD to the app's file system. After formatting, proceed with the Mac OS installation. This process is similar to installing Mac OS on a genuine Apple computer, guiding you through the necessary steps to get the operating system onto your Hackintosh. After the initial Mac OS installation, you'll need to install a bootloader like OpenCore or Clover to make your Hackintosh bootable without the USB drive. This step also involves adding necessary kexts, which are kernel extensions, for your specific hardware. Configure drivers for audio, Ethernet, and graphics to ensure all your components function correctly. Remember to approach system updates cautiously to avoid breaking your setup. To optimize your Hackintosh, fine-tune your bootloader configuration and install any remaining drivers for peripherals. Regularly back up your EFI folder. This is crucial for recovery if an update or configuration change causes issues. Troubleshooting often involves checking kext compatibility and boot arguments. For more tips and to stay hydrated, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Remember, a well-maintained Hackintosh provides a fantastic user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.